Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to hide posts you've been tagged in on Facebook using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening your Facebook account on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the page to access your profile settings. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots under your name and click on it to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log, which can be found underneath Story Archive. Step 5. Scroll down until you see Timeline, Photo, and Tag Review and click on it. Step 6. Under this section, locate and click on Review Posts you're tagged in to view posts where you've been tagged. Step 7. Choose the specific post you want to hide and click on the Hide option to conceal it from your timeline and profile. By following these steps, you can easily manage the posts you've been tagged in on Facebook and control their visibility on your profile. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to hide posts you've been tagged in on Facebook using your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks to enhance your online privacy and experience.